So we will be unboxing the LG Smart Inverter. I can't remember the model in my head right now, so I'm just going to like link the model up here so you see it. So the LG M something 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 CIS. It's quite a long name, but yeah, that's what we'll be doing. Yeah, it's quite big, and I think I'm going to have to wait and bring. So yeah, this is out now. This is what it looks like. So okay, you can see the model. Max 1 2 watts. No, I'm seeing 1350, 1001. Yes, anyways, it has some cook modes here. It has micro, it has grill, it has combination, I think. Inverter, defrost, meat, chicken, popular menu. Yeah, it has. Let me just remove this. So. Yeah, you get to see much better little grill. Yeah, it has this, and then it has a cook. Yeah, a cook. You can't really see what is a cook mode here. Inverter defrost, popular menu, inverter cook, stop, start, and then here's warranty. But yes, this it's silver. The other one is black, so this is what it's 42 liters. We hope you use it to do like a lot of things. But it feels there's like a bulge here. There's a bulge here, I didn't notice it. But okay. So it comes with manual, obviously. I'm just going to try and look and see it. There's a stand, and there's also this. So yes, I'm going to be fixing this. So this is me testing with 30 seconds of a cup. So yeah, it's supposed to beep when it reaches 0 seconds. So yeah. Not a bad tune.